There's a fresh wave of enthusiasm for AI that never forgets, architectures fighting catastrophic forgetting by restoring structure the field discarded in 1943. The research underneath is real and genuinely interesting, but the excitement quietly swaps one problem for another. Credit where it's due. The 1943 McCulloch-Pitts neuron collapses a biological cell into a single weighted sum, throwing away structure brains use to learn without erasing old knowledge. New work, published in part in Nature Communications, shows dendrite-inspired units meaningfully reduce catastrophic forgetting. So when a popular explainer packages this as the future of LLMs, the science isn't the issue. The framing is. Never forgets answers, a capability question, how much a model can retain. It leaves the trust question entirely untouched. Here is the distinction the hype flattens. Retention is not identity. A model that keeps everything still cannot say who you are, what you did, and prove it. Identity is a ledger, a durable, attributable record, something other than the model can read. Recall is also not correctness. A system that never forgets its mistakes either, retaining the poisoned example and the confident error alongside good data, unable to show which is which. Perfect retention with no provenance is just a more confident way to be wrong. If memory lives in the weights, it inherits the weight's worst property. You cannot inspect it, attribute it, or roll it back. When a regulator or an incident review asks, "What did this system know and when?" a weight cannot answer. You cannot subpoena a weight. This is why Saluka's memory design sits outside the model. Memory is 3 tiers: a live buffer, an indexed graph for retrieval, and a durable hash-chained record that is tamper-evident by construction. Not the model remembered, but a record of what was written, when, and by whom. There's a deeper irony in chasing a model that literally cannot forget. Forgetting, done deliberately, is honesty. A memory that treats a cancelled plan from 3 years ago like this morning's email is not trustworthy. It's just full. Step back, and this is the argument Saluka makes every week, from a new direction. The field keeps solving memory inside the model. Each is a real advance in capability. None makes memory yours, auditable, or governable, because those are properties of a layer, not an engine. Notice the tell. The strongest dendritic pitch proposes bolting memory onto a frozen model as an external component. That is a layer argument wearing model architecture clothes. Once memory lives outside the weights, you've conceded the point. We owe the firewall. Saluka is not claiming this layer makes a model smarter, or that identity means the system understands what it remembers. It does not, and we design as if no one is home. This is provenance architecture, not a claim of inner life. And we won't overclaim the other side. The dendritic research is promising. Peer-reviewed in part, aimed at a genuine problem, and early where it is early. The disagreement isn't with the science, it's with the leap from retains more to solved memory. Total recall isn't identity. A perfect memory you can't audit, can't attribute, and can't forget on purpose isn't a soul. It's a liability with a good hard drive. Build the layer,